Lesi sigameko kuthiwa senzeke izolo ngezithuba zehora le-11 ebusuku. Ummeli wakhe uqinisekisile ukuthi usesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela.
General Khan remains in a critical condition following what appears, according to the media, to be an assassination attempt last night. His family asks for privacy at this trying time.
UKhan bekulindeleke ukuthi ethule ubufakazi ekhomishaneni kaMadlanga ngoLwesithathu.
He has been actively participating and preparing himself to testify and fully cooperate with the Madlanga Commission. And he intended this Wednesday to fully lay bare involvement of senior members of the South African Police Services in certain offences and criminal activity.
Abameli bakaKhan basola amalungu ombutho wamaphoyisa ngokuthi iwona abe nesandla ehlaselweni kwakhe.
Well, as appears from the Madlanga Commission, there is a lot of malfeasance in the police service. There have been accusations leveled against General Khan, which we believe are unsubstantiated, and he had been looking forward to clear his good name. There's clearly political motives and there's an agenda to discredit him from within the South African Police Service.
Ngokusho komeli wakhe ubenganabo abaqaphi khathi ehlaselwa.
We obviously look forward to the police advising us as to why they didn't provide security for this high-ranking official.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga ifisele uKhan ukwelulama ngokusheshsha.
Regarding the scheduling issues, we will deal with that once we have had the engagement with General Khan's legal representatives.
Amaphoyisa axwayisa ngokuqagula kulesi sigameko.
At this stage, it would be irresponsible to speculate on any possible motive or to draw conclusions about whether the attack is linked to his impending appearance. I think the investigation will determine the facts.
Amaphoyisa ayaphenya.